Making an NBA Live mobile pack opening up here. So my brother playing some arena. He's winning 8-11. As we get a 25 star power. You know what I'm looking for presents on 2,500 coins. So whenever that's 25,000. Pretty good. Whenever you get 3 cards, that means you got a present. 4 more of those. And I'm not getting luck for a present. And getting some this day tokens. Nope. I don't think we'll get it as we get our final one. Oh, we got it. Let's go. We got a present. Let's put it in. Open later. Now let's do our pro pack. Bam. 77 Deadman. Let's do some silver presents up here. Boom. 77 Ivica Zubac. Another one. Saw my last video. Got good presents. Boom. 86 Kyrie Irving off a silver present. Screenshot that. Let's go. Gold stocking. Gold stocking. Gold stocking. Oh, that's a horrible gold stocking. Which one should we do next? Let's open our double premiere packs. Doom. 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 80 overall, friends. I think these 3 are all players. Not a great pack. 2 of them are players. Not a great double premiere pack. Next we got the Velvet Stocking. Harris again. Ooh, ton of 82. Double Harris. Last but not least, we have the Sharpshooter pack. I hope I win. I hope I get something good. 86 Chris Middleton. Let's go. Great ending. And that's it for my video.